Alright guys, now just a quick one really. Postman's just been, so this is more crawler related for the 1/10 stuff, and I ordered this a couple of weeks ago off eBay. Just come in this little packet there and in a jiffy bag. But yeah, I ordered this maybe 2 weeks ago off eBay from China, I would believe. It's a spare wheel cover. Now on my Jeep Rubicon, which I took to Spain, has one of these tyres on the spare on the back of the Rubicon. However, the wheel's different, and that really plays like with my OCD, if you will, because it doesn't match these rims. So as nice as it looks, I don't know, I like things to be matching and stuff like that. So I purchased one of these, so it don't matter what blooming tyres I've got on, what wheels I've got on, I can imagine that it's the same wheel underneath, and yeah, it'll stop playing with my mind. Because I could be driving along and then, you know, you got this nice steel rim and then you got this plastic 5-spoke thing on the rear. So it's they say it's leather, it feels more plastic, but it's got like an elastic thing around there. This is the design I went for, mainly because it has the Jeep, the ultimate off-road trip 4x4, life is life, rock rolling. Now they're a cool little thing. This is a 1.9, so let's dress it up. Let's put its clothes on, see how it looks. Oh, look at that. So this, looking at it, will probably fit quite a few whips of 1/9 tyres. So yeah, basically that's it. It's just a spare wheel cover. Now whether you've got a TRX4, a Land Rover D90, RC4 wheel drive, or whatever, if you've got a spare wheel on the back and it really kind of gets on your nerves because it's not matching, you can get one of those. So as you can see, it's there. And I paid £3.79, I think it is. Yeah, £3.79 for that. Now, if you do scroll about, they do vary in prices, and there is different designs. So, like I said, it is just a lovely addition to the truck, especially if you're a bit OCD like me. So that's that one. That's all. I just thought I'd share that with you because I think it's cool, and I'll leave a link to that, to the eBay store where I purchased that. But apart from that, that's all. Have fun with your builds, whether you're out on the trails or just enjoying the hobby from a visual perspective. So yeah, thanks again for watching guys. Please leave me a like, do subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to ping that notification bell, and then you can stay updated with all future videos from RC Truckin UK.